The simple steps to give your dog an oatmeal bath. Hello guys. This is Jude with another Q&A from the Dog Help Forum. Today, we have a topic that will interest dog owners who are concerned for their pet dog's skin care. So, without any more introductions, here is Arthur.
Hello, everyone, and Jude. Here's the question for the day. Hello! Does anyone know how to carry out an oatmeal bath for a dog? Here's one of the many answers to this question. Carrying out an oatmeal bath for dogs is easy as pie. Here are the steps to get you started. Take a cup of oatmeal and put it in the food processor or blender and blend it into powder. Run a lukewarm bath in the tub and place the entire cup of oatmeal in the water. Place your dog in the bath and scoop up the water over your dog's back. Do this for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat as often as necessary. Do you have anything to add, Jude?
No, Arthur, that answer is already good enough, thanks. There are still a whole lot of other answers and a ton of other topics for you to discover if you join or visit our Dog Help Forum. You can visit our Dog Help Forum at www.doghelp.info. The forum is free. Thanks for listening, and see you there.